Water, muchas gracias. Nada? Okay, no tengo huevos for you, head. Over there. All right, where you from?
Vancouver, man.
Vancouver. All right, Vancouver. Canada. They never let us down out there. Any love, Canada? It's all good? Wait. I can't do that. You got free health care. Give me something, eh? Both of them? Is that enough? I think they're both gonna die. That's not enough. Something's better than nothing, but they're gonna die. Step over there. Where are you from? You look rich as hell.
Vancouver.
Vancouver. All right, you look like you own like 2 7-Elevens or something, DJ Khaled. All right. Any love before this Dangerous Grand Finale? Oh yeah, he's going in his man purse. We got. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to step on the zapatos. All right. We got 800. He's the best. $20. Make some noise. All right. Wait. That's how you do it, right there, Canada. Wait. Hey, what about the watch and the bracelet? I need a new one. DJ Khaled. You the best. Come here. Stand right here. Hey, what happened, DJ? I'm sorry. You, right here. Papi Chulo. Ven para acá. Para lente, little burrito. Perfect. Little jalapeno. Aquí. Yes, little sopa. Ben. All right, turn around, face the crowd. Perfect. Now take one step back behind the line.
Oh, he gets a pass. He has flip-flops. Yeah. Oh, you're in luck. One step back. Tell him.
Take a step over here. Take your man punch off and give your friend.
Yes. Oh, give it to me.
Here. I got it!
Hey, easy. We don't do that no more. Relax.
Right here. Over here. All right. Now listen up.
We're starting about 3 seconds.
We're about to have a little me. I'm going to show you some easy dance stunts I learned at Circus Soleil, okay?
That's right.
So have some fun. Follow me. Crowd, you ready? Say yeah! All right. What happens in Vegas? Goes on Facebook, boom, Snapchat, or Instagram. Fellas, shake it loose.
Shake it loose, guys. Here in Vegas. Here we go.
Shake it loose.
Yes.
Don't let me down.
Venezuela,
Don't let me down. Here we go. All right. Music.
Do you
Who's he
guys
got?
remember Big Burrito?
We got Big Burrito in the crowd. Here we go, guys. Yeah, here we go, guys. We got this. Yes. Yes. There we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Get loose. Here we go. Venezuela. Here we go. Yes, guys. Turn it up. Right. Oh, yeah. Back it up. Here we go, guys. All the way down. You got this, guys. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, here we go. All the way down. Who got push-ups? Hey, here we go. Oh, yes. Good form, guys. Okay, here we go. Spread them. All the way down. Get it. Hey. Yo, what are you doing, man? You're scaring the guys, man. Papi Chulo got stuck on first gear, man. Yeah, man. All right, here we go.
Good job.
On top. On top. Here we go.
All right, here we go. Ready?
All right, here we go.
Concentrate,
guys. Focus. Yes. Concentrate.
Ready? Get it up.
Get it up there.
Get it up.
Can you get it up? Okay.
Get it up.
Get it up. Can you get it up? Papi Chulo.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Yo, check out the balance. Who got the balance? Who got yo. That's too hard. I don't think they have it.
My bad.
Give him the easy one.
Easy one.
Easy.
Watch the ground.
Here's the easy one, guys.
Safety first.
Yes.
Hands out.
Hands out.
Hands back.
Hands back. We go. You go. Yes, they made it.
Come back and hold hands. Take a bow. We are the newest members of our crew. Big Burrito, DJ Khaled, Little Jalapeno, Little Quesadilla, and 50 Shades of Gray. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's our show. We believe laughter is the best form of medication. We made you laugh. Keep us on a positive path. Thank you. God bless. It's never too late to donate. Peace. Thank you.